In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Sheets. Printing your spreadsheets is a convenient way to create hard copies for meetings, presentations, or even personal records. Let's dive in and explore these simple steps to get your Google Sheets from screen to paper with ease. First, begin by opening the Google Sheet you want to print. Make sure everything you want to print is properly included in your selection. If you're unsure which document to open, you can find it by browsing through your recent documents or searching by name in the Google Sheets homepage. Once you have your document open, turn your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on the File option. This drop-down menu contains many commands, and one of them is what we're looking for today. After you open the File menu, scroll down a little more than halfway down and click on Print. This will open the Print Settings window where you can customize your printing preferences to ensure everything looks just right. Now, you'll notice a section labeled Paper Size. By default, it might be set to letter, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. This is the standard size for many printers. However, if you need a different size, like the A4 option, which measures 8.27 by 11.69 inches, you can select that. If neither of these options suits your needs, there are additional sizes available. Be sure to select the one that fits your requirements best. Next, let's adjust how your data will fit on the page. You'll find an option called Fit to Width. This setting automatically adjusts the content to fit the width of the page, which is useful to prevent any information from being cut off the edges. Simply click on Fit to Width to ensure everything is included. After adjusting the width, you might also want the content to fit neatly on a single page. For this, select Fit to Page. Doing so will resize the data so that it fits within the page's dimensions, maintaining both width and height alignment. Once you're satisfied with your settings and layout, go ahead and click the Next button. This will prepare your document for printing and prompt your Printer Options dialog box to appear. It's a good moment to make sure your printer settings, such as the selected printer, number of copies, and any other specific requirements, are correctly set. Finally, hit Print. Your printer will begin working to produce a hard copy of your Google Sheet. It's always a good idea to stay by the printer in case you need to adjust any final settings or check the quality of the printed document. And that's it. You now have a printed version of your Google Sheet ready for use. Keep practicing these steps to become even more efficient at printing from Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.